Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will take this as a base. The dimension is 150, height is 20 mm and there is a flanges 10 mm thickness. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. Select here extruded boss, select the front plane, select line, just create one rough sketch. Give the dimensions. The overall length is 150 and 70 and 90. This thickness is 10 mm. This is also 10. Give the vertical and horizontal constraint here. The overall height is 20 mm. Here give one more dimension, here to here, 75. So you can see the bottom, the sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch, select extrude, select mid plane here. You can see the length is 120 mm. Okay. Next select this surface, sketch, create two circles, give the dimensions, dia 40,